Hello everyone, welcome to Holtop webinar. This is Danny. I'm right now in Shanghai HVAC and Refrigeration Exhibition. And our Holtop booth number is W3F41. If you are in China, you are welcome to visit us. And if you are not in China or can be able to attend this exhibition, this doesn't matter. We are going to present to you the latest technology and products through our video or live show. And right now, I'm going to present to you, it is our new developed 3D Counterflow heat exchanger. This exchanger is made of super thin polystyrene material. This kind of material is very good for heat transfer. And with its 3D airstream design, the supply air and exhaust air can be totally 100% separately. And this unit, it is special designed for the residential and commercial ventilator. So the running ambient temperature can be as low as -20 and as high as 50 degrees. This kind of heat exchanger can also also has a feature of low pressure job. I mean, when at high speed or low speed, this heat exchanger can bring you a very good performance of pressure job. And this kind of heat exchanger would be a perfect solution for your, for your house or for your residential ERV. Okay, that's all for this unit. If you hope this information is bring you help. If you are interested in this unit, you are welcome to send us inquiry.